Welcome to Gankeng. This is the watchtower, the south gate over here. So that is the entrance to Gankeng Town. And of course the watchtower has a huge history, especially in defending against bandits, and also used a lot during the World War II, occupation by the Japanese. And so, right. This is the watchtower, and we are now entering the downtown itself. Hakka people literally means guest people. So they migrated from the north, and when they settled down here, they built the watchtower, they built all the old towns here. So apparently this bridge and the view behind us is one of the popular Instagram spots. Everyone is queuing here, trying to take one photo. And all of them are wearing costume, which makes the whole situation nice. So both of my parents are Hakka people, but all I know about Hakka is I speak the language while growing up with them, and that's it. They never really told me about Hakka culture, and most importantly, why are we here in Malaysia. So coming here to the Gankeng Hakka Town is my first experience with the Hakka culture. So Gankeng Town is not the biggest or the oldest, but it does have its unique charm, and it's really worth your few hours of time if you are here in Shenzhen. So along this street, a lot of little cafes, tea house like the above there, and place for you to get a drink, coffee in particular. So it's pretty nice here, especially the Bougainvillea flower is all in full bloom today. Well, I think it lasts for a month, I'm not sure, but there are different color of bougainvillea and it's very striking. So this particular part of the Gankeng Town must come. I do not know what is it called though, but lovely here. The sun is coming up, so I can get a better video shot now. So behind me is the Phoenix Valley, and there's one beautiful building behind me. This part of the town is prettiest, with water, plants, lots of people here taking photos. A lot of interesting flower. I'm not sure what is it called. It looks huge. Apparently this flower is poisonous. So when you touch it, you need to wash your hand. Otherwise your skin will become, I do not know what will become to my skin. And this is the olive drink. Olive.
This is supposed to be for cough, sore throat. It's better than medicine.
Oh.
And also,
Really? Pimple. Wow. Is it nice? Bitter. This is one of the small side streets from the main Gankeng town. The small alleyway of this town is even better than the big ones. more authentic. The building seems to be older and a lot of flower here. There is a saying that where there is seawater, there are overseas Chinese. And when there are overseas Chinese, there are Hakka people around. This is a pottery shop using different type of pottery, slightly higher iron, slightly darker color. But it's all handmade here.
有没有送人的杯子啊、茶杯子啊？
Apparently this pottery maker is very famous. A lot of picture inside there showing some celebrity coming here to custom make their own pottery set. Here there's a lot of interesting cat cafe where you pay for a drink and you can pet some cats. The cats over there is really beautiful, really fat, like Garfield, you know the cartoon. Those small alleyway in Gankeng Town is really a lot of people. It's even hard to take some nice photo with all the people around. I think the best time to visit Gankeng is at night, where the lights turn on. So I'm going to come back here again in evening time, where everyone is gone, so that I can properly make some nice video about this unique town. And I'm walking at the Hawker Street area. It is now around 6 o'clock evening. It's not completely dark yet, but the lighting here is starting to show up. If you're a dessert lover, Chinese dessert in particular, this place got a lot of dessert. And this is one of the dessert shop that we are going to go in. This is the garlic with tong yun. Ginger with tong yun. It's actually huge. Got so many tong yun. My God. Now it's nighttime, around 8 o'clock. So I think the Gankeng comes alive when all the lights are on. I thought in the nighttime it would be less crowded. Apparently it is not. Still a lot of people here. Slightly less than the daytime, but still a lot of people here taking photos. Dinner time now, so this time we're going for Hakka restaurant. Hakka is all about preservation. They normally have preserved vegetables, pure meat, and also fermented cow. So the reason why the preservation is so important because they don't know when they need to leave and how far they need to go next. So at home, my mom always cook the mui choy khao yok. So today they have mui choy khao yok, but then because these two ladies does not eat pork, so we are not gonna eat mui choy khao yok. Rather, we have other things, chicken and stuff. So our food today is tofu, and this is bitter melon with bitter gourd with egg. After reading through many of the Hakka history and culture, kind of got the insight that, the reason why I came over to Hong Kong once I graduated from university from Malaysia, and then I become a cabin crew, and I love to travel. Maybe that is the spirit of the Hakka people. Good morning from Gankeng Hakka Town. We wake up in the morning and it's like this. Nobody around. So if you want to enjoy the whole town by yourself, you have to wake up early before everyone comes. It's the loveliest part of Gankeng. So good thing about if you stay overnight in Gankeng is you can wake up to this quiet environment which you will never get after 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. I think, where all the drove of costume ladies come in for the picture. It's very different, I would say. You can really admire all the architecture, beauties. So that is Hakkani's tofu. This is a little small shop that serves Hakkani's food. And this is some of the other dishes.
So this is a 酸盘子, and this one is 13級底湯伊麵. This is interesting because in our hometown in Malaysia, there is also this lo xu fen, which is one of my favorite noodles.
And they are frying the tofu here. So tofu has arrived, and this is a typical Hakkanese fermented tofu. It's with some preserved vegetables, spring onion, a bit of chili, and some peanut. So there are some additional snacks here. This is like crackers, very thinly fried crackers with sesame, preserved veg, some meat. A lot of fruits inside there too. And these are the tofu. Black color tofu. It looks so black. I'm not sure how it tastes like. It's another popular area, a place where people put on the well-wishing red cloth.
一生平安 is well, prosperity, safe for your whole life. 財源廣進 means good fortune.
So finally I found a statue that depicts Hakka women with the hat, Liangmao hat, that Gankeng was famous for many years ago. Actually, I saw this with my great-grandmother's house. She hang it on the wall, and sometimes she will use this kind of bamboo-made hat with a white, black color lining around their head to cover for the harsh sun. And if you look at this particular image, this woman is actually, wow, carrying a lot of things. They are carrying a big jar of water, a big pail of stuff over there. So Gankeng woman is the only women in China that do not have a tradition of tying their legs. The reason why is because they need to work very hard. After exploring the Gankeng for almost a day now, I kind of like this particular ancient town. It makes me reflect on my Hakka culture. One thing I find that's definitely missing from this ancient town, there's nobody speaking Hakka. I'm the only one who speaks Hakka. Cái thị vọng kỳ hảo lá, kỳ leng á, cái Hakka, cái Gankeng Chen. How does it sound? Hakkanese. So I didn't even use Hakkanese for a very long time. So even for me, I might not able to speak Hakkanese very soon.